Now, today being the fourth day, President Draupadi Murmu will be addressing a joint sitting of the 18th Parliament, highlighting the priorities of the Modi Sarkar 3.0. Following the speech, the NDA government will be proposing a motion of thanks in both houses of Parliament. This will further open up to debates among MPs, offering them a platform to share their perspectives on the President's address and the government's outlined policies as well. Let's go back to Shivani on that. Shivani, what is expected today in Parliament on the fourth day?
Amita, it is a very important day in the Parliament, as this is not only the fourth day, but when the President will be addressing the joint sitting of the Parliament of both the houses. And this is a very rare moment, Amita, because it doesn't happen very frequently when a government comes back to power for the third consecutive term. And this is happening when Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already taken over and he's ready with his plans for the future as the Prime Minister 3.0. And today, when President will be speaking and addressing the joint sitting, she will be highlighting on the plan, the outlay of the government, what are the programs when the government has already taken over and most of the ministers have started their working. So we have to see what Draupadi Murmu brings in as the government starts functioning. And this fourth day of the Parliament is very important because, you know, yesterday Om Birla had already moved a motion against the emergency where Congress had to accept that motion when Rahul Gandhi had to accept, his allies being the Samajwadi Party and TMC and other leaders who accepted this motion. So very interesting day it's going to be for the Parliament when Draupadi
All right, so the President's address that will be happening to the both houses of Parliament, will be standing by for that. Shivani.